This is the Ryobi 40-volt jet fan blower. Now this is a new one, but I've used these in the past, and that's kind of why I chose this one. We're going to do a demonstration here in a second, but first I'm going to go over the features and the different parts of it. So in the box, we have the actual blower here. We have the extender here. You've got your 40-volt battery, and you've got your charger. So on here you have your handle, which can be adjusted to whatever's more comfortable ergonomically for you. So you can adjust it like that, and then once you find the setting you want, just tighten it down. This thing attaches simply there. Turn it. Up here you have your trigger here, and then you have a turbo, so you can push that and then push that down, and you're going to get a little bit more. And that's why I like it, is because of that turbo feature mainly. I think it's better than most of the other stuff on the market just because of that. The longer you hold that down, of course, the faster it's going to eat up your battery, but it still is nice to have if you get a lot of leaves or if you got something that's kind of stuck in your grass. You can hit that turbo and really blow it out of there. But that's it, so let's get to the demonstration. Now that's just your normal now we got some stuck ones. Do quite a bit more power when you go to that. Now the battery will last about 29 minutes. Of course, that's going to vary a little bit based on how often you run the turbo. But I will say it did run for quite a while without actually dying on me.